sat together in the park as the evening sky grew dark. She looked at him and it felt a spark tingle to his bone. Was then he felt alone and wished that he'd gone straight. Watched out for a simple twist of fate. They walked along by the old canal, somewhat confused, I remember well. They turned into a strange hotel with the neon burning bright. And he felt the heat of the night. Well, it hit him like a freight train, moving with a simple twist of fate. A saxophone far off somewhere played as she walked on by the arcade, and the sun came through the broken shade in the room where he was waking up. She dropped a coin into the cup of a blind man at the gate and forgot all about a simple twist of fate. He woke up, the room was bare, didn't see her anywhere. Told himself that he didn't care, threw the window open wide, but felt an emptiness inside, to which he just could not relate. Brought on by a simple twist of fate. He hears the ticking of the clocks, walks around with a parrot that talks, hunts her down at the waterfront docks where the sailors all come in. Maybe she'd pick him out again. How long must he wait? One more time for a simple twist of fate. The people tell me it's a sin to rely too much on from within. I do believe she was my twin, but I lost the ring. She was born in spring, but I was born too late. Blame it all. Won't you blame it all